Okay, my friends, and welcome yet again to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. Now, today I'm going to be making a very simple aioli or alioli, whatever way you want to pronounce it. Now, I actually have problems now and again when making aioli in getting the oil and the lemon juice to actually emulsify. I can do it sometimes, but it's not consistent. So I found an easier way, which uses a raw egg. And it's very simple. You're just going to be a little bit careful when you're making it, but it's much more consistent. So first of all, I'm going to start with one egg, a little bit of lemon juice, about 2 cloves of garlic, or in this case, equivalent of raw garlic, that is. And I have here about 150 millilitres of vegetable oil. There. Now then, we use one of these hand whisks to place over the egg and very carefully start, without moving it or lifting it, slowly pulse away, and you'll find that the egg and the oil will slowly start to emulsify. Just don't lift it and don't move it. Until more of the oil is incorporated. Sorry about the noise. Now then, as you can see, it's nearly there. I'll just move it slightly, very slightly. After a while, you can see that all the oil has been incorporated into the egg yolk and the lemon juice, and believe it or not, your aioli is finished. What's left is to plate it up into something that looks more attractive and it's ready for eating. And there we have it. That's freshly made aioli with the raw egg. Now this can keep in the fridge for no more than probably 2 to 3 days. Otherwise it could be a little bit dodgy because of the raw egg. And I guess if you're pregnant, then it maybe isn't the best version to have. But anyway, honestly, this is delicious. Have this with the patatas bravas or as a dip with crudité or something like that. It's absolutely delicious. And you can see just how easy it was to make there. 2-3 minutes and it's done. So you've got to be careful not to move the wand around in the receptacle too soon, because it might not emulsify, it might separate. So anyway, give it a go. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And take care. Peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.